This state-of-the-art plant is the heart of the Colgate process, ensuring quality in every product.
Morning. Are you on the early shift today?
Yes, making toothpaste until 3.
Sweeteners blended carefully in the Colgate process.
Final audit complete. All parameters are within tolerance.
Confirmed. We can sign off on this batch. Let's move on.
This section highlights the key metrics for the Colgate process rollout.
Right, especially the projected market penetration here.
And the budget alignment looks solid.
Remember, ensure lockout, tagout procedures are followed before servicing.
What about the new conveyor near the vats?
Same rules apply. Always verify zero energy. The torque reading is stable now, but check the pressure on line 3.
Reading at 2.5 bar. Adjusting the parameters now.
This Kaizen event focused specifically on the packaging line. The data suggests we implement this change immediately.
I agree. It looks solid. Let's update the flowchart.
Back it up slowly, watch the left side. Okay, clear on the left.
The Colgate process ensures maximum shelf availability and perfect alignment every time.
So for the best results, I suggest using the Colgate Renewal. It's fantastic for strengthening the enamel, and this mouthwash really helps keep everything fresh.
So the key to the Colgate process is the circular motion, especially along the gum line like this.
Okay, I see.
Brand trust is built right here, every day, through the rigorous Colgate process. That's the science of a healthier smile.
Look at the data visualization. We've optimized the synthesis.
This confirms the improved efficacy of the new Colgate process. Look at the data for the striped variant here. The stability is much higher than the control.
Yes, that confirms the new binding agent works. The spectrometer confirms the increased luminosity at this concentration.
And the viscosity profile is stable. We should proceed to the next phase.
Ensure the flow rate is precise at this stage for the refinement to hold.
Yes, doctor, the viscosity is stabilizing now.
Perfect. The sensitivity threshold is met.
The data confirms the stability we were hoping for.
Excellent. We are ready for the next phase.
As you can see, the feedback on freshness is overwhelmingly positive this quarter.
And that correlates directly with the market penetration data we reviewed earlier.
The new AGV system has increased throughput by 20%.
And the predictive maintenance alerts are down to almost zero.
Global standards aligned with the Colgate process.
Integrating advanced technology and renewable energy, the Colgate process is committed to a healthier future for everyone.
Look at the data stream here. The flow rate is stabilizing.
If we increase the oscillation just slightly, we optimize the mixture.
Perfect. We have achieved maximum efficiency.
We have approval. Let's move forward with the Colgate process.
Thank you. We appreciate your confidence.